Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video tutorial we have another question. Okay, so this question we have quite big number, so it got a trick and we need to know the trick. What is the trick that we are going to use in order to solve it and to make it easier for us? So keep watching. So now I got 2025 square, so just write it down again. And 2024 we can convert it to 2025 minus 1, and then 2026 can be written as 2025 plus 1. Okay, so when we have written this number into two factors like this, so it is in the form of a minus b, okay, factor with a plus b, that will be equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so that is the formula that we need to use. Alright, so then a will be equal to square root of 2025 square, and then minus, so it will be equal to 2025 square minus 1 square. Then 2025 square minus 2025 square plus 1 square is equal to 1. And then 2025 square minus 2025 square, which is can cancel out, and we got 1. So square root of 1, which is equal to 1. So therefore a equal to 1. Okay, now I have solved this problem and I hope you can understand, and thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. See you in the next video.